on the next episode of Jump School.
This is a channel that is about entrepreneurship. It's about style and things of that nature. And sometimes people are afraid to shoot their shot. What would you tell that person? Hey, man, if they're really sitting here listening right now or they're watching, I'm scared to make that move. I'm scared to ask that person.
Yo, so with me, I grew up, like, we ain't have much, bro. So me being scared to shoot a shot, I would shoot a shot and go broke, and not be scared because I've already been there. Like, so, like, don't be scared of the opportunity for you to grow, because even if you miss, like, you still try, like, you still prove to yourself that you can at least try. And 50% of the time, if you try, something's gonna click. Like, 50% of the time, if you try, something's gonna click. So with me, like, don't think too much. Like, I like to Nehemiah Davis, great dude from Philly. I met him. He's smart, man. And, like, he told me one day, like, yo, like, don't think about it. Just do it and then figure it out later. Yeah. So I'm going into this with my mindset. If I got to spend $1,000 in a day, don't think about it. I'm gonna just do it and just figure it out. Like, because if I think about it, I'm gonna just keep thinking. Like, I know so many people, they have a goal and they just, like, and I struggled with this. Like, at the beginning, like, I had a goal, but I'm just thinking, how am I going to get it perfect to release it? Like, how am I going to get it perfect to make myself, like, look good? Like, but perfection is not real. Like, it's never going to be perfect. Like, nothing will ever be perfect. So you just got to, like, shoot.
If you want to hear more of this amazing interview, stay tuned for our next episode.